down. Let me show you. Sorry for that, guys. So I will take one boot down, then just take the left side. Okay, we're gonna open it. So this still okay, spring still okay, and again discoloration and dirt around here. Okay, as you see here, and if Velcro in here come like this. So this is the quality find the box. I already try to be careful because every time, like example, if I want to take it from the boots, right, this I never just straight go here, but instead I gently from the bottom, from the zipper, all the way like this. So see, but no matter how I be careful and gently, well, again, this is what I got for a year. Okay, let's open up the booty. Oh, very catching eyes. Okay, so that's from the outside. Okay, as you can see, again, this white color, there's no other way you guys can avoid it for the discoloration. Become yellow or dirty, the dirts, you can clean it. But discoloration, I don't think so. I already tried with some liquids, alcohol or whatever. I'm not gonna making this become white again. Shiny, yeah, as you can see here, it's very shiny, but no more longer white. So very disappointed. And the bad things from the Alpinestars that you should know is this one. Hold on, let me off the inner boots. Okay, guys, so that's the outside boots, that's the inner boots. That's the thing that I don't like for Alpinestars. It's complicated. Again, I always like Dainis. It's not I try to promote something, but the Dainis Axilla Pro is always be the best for me. Unlike the Alpinestars like this, you see this replica boots, it doesn't perforate it, no holes. It's kind of hard when someone at the track. It's very different when you're wearing a perforated boots, but this one doesn't. As you see, it's only leather. It's very shame and very confusing because the previous Alpinestars Marmarquez replica boots, the Liberty one, if you guys bought it before, has a lot of tiny holes. It does perforated holes, but I don't know why this one, no, is very sad. And honestly, I don't like this black color. I was hoping these like as like the red fluo, as like the nowadays Alpinestars 2021-22 boots, but they choose this black. I don't like black. I like everything red if possible, but already like this because original Marmarquez, everything here red if you pay attention. And this is the quality after a year. See here, that's the quality. So I try not to hit something around in the front here, but I don't know, guys. This is all I can do the best. I have a friend, he is having the same boots. The boots that he worn are more worse than these, so this is still the best one. And then well, that's all I can say. That's again for the outside. Okay, so this is the inside boots. Okay, so see here, this is the $500 quality. I don't like it. The glue like mess. I know this is inside, nobody gonna see it, but it's supposed to be Alpinestars, not make a inner boot like this. um, the bottom sole, as you see here, still okay. Just this one, some marks. Okay, and everything looks fine as you see here. Okay, so I want to show the bad things from all the Alpinestars from the oldest until today. Even the new one, the latest one, if you use it many times. You see this yellow string? This is always the case, which is very easy to broken when you tied it. Let me show you. If I went, like example, you put your foot here inside, then of course you have to tie it, right? So when you tie it, okay, you see this? When we tied it, then that's it. If you see like this, everything's still fine. But no, when you like on off the boot, or you wear it, or any like movement inside the boots, that's the thing that make this thing like, you know, touch each other inside. I don't know what happened. So this happened, and oh, where's that one? This one. Okay, so that's the bad things from the Alpinestars boots. $500 more. And these, if you keep using it and worn it, it's gonna be, that's it guys, cut off. It's gonna be no more longer like this. And I have no idea how or to buy these parts. For sure Alpinestars never sell it. Even Alpinestars never sell like only the inner boot for the inside. It's supposed to be, I think, in my opinion, Alpinestars should sell just like, you know, the inner boots like these. If they don't sell these yellow strings, fine. Well, at least, you know, by selling like the inner boots here, so anything happen, you know, say we still good for the outside this one, but inside belt we can replace it. But unfortunately we cannot replace it. It's a very, very bad and shame for a big name for Alpinestars. So that's my opinion. Maybe it can be like for an input for Alpinestars. So who knows, Alpinestars will sell this inner booty. So, you know, everything happens, we can have a parts for it. And the thing that I told you about the bottom sole, I mean the outside one, this one, if you have no more, I mean like gone, actually you can replace these. I think you can try to contact the Alpinestars directly. All I knew, the thing that I know, you can change one whole thing. This, they were gonna replace you the new one, like become like, you know, in this, like in this condition, everything new. And they're gonna off this. I don't know how to do it. They're gonna off it and they're gonna change it the new one. So it's not like, you know, you don't, maybe you're hoping like, oh,